beautiful recipe for you guys to try at home. Okay, I'm always trying my best to give you a recipe which can help you, but this is one of them where, you know, very simple, doesn't complicate it to make, and we're gonna go straight through it. All right. Yeah. Yeah. So we got the strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, all of this right here. We are going to use up these and make something very nice and simple. All right. Yeah. So let's get some blueberry and raspberry. All right, so this is the blueberry and raspberry we have put inside of it. You can get this to buy at your local shop or your supermarket. This one is such an amazing one which I brought. Yeah. Excellent. We got some strawberry. We're gonna put some strawberry inside of it. All right, you see that? That's the strawberry. Right there. Okay. All right, now we're gonna put some water. Some people use almond milk, but I just like to use water. All right. Inside of it. Lovely. So what we're going to do is, you may not want to do it, but I will encourage you. For me, like you guys who are in a healthy recipe, get garlic and put it inside of it. All right, yeah, put some garlic inside of it. We got one inside of it already. 2 cloves of garlic inside of it. All right, so I'm just doing it that simple way where you guys can do it at home. Garlic and all of those nice lovely blueberry, raspberry, strawberry inside of it. So that's a lovely recipe if you guys are looking for something to try at home. Yeah, very powerful recipe. All right. I want to put any sugar, sweetener, or honey. That's naturally like this. You don't have to blend it. You can also eat it, the fruits as it is. But sometimes people like a little bit of smoothie, and that's what they do. Anyway, get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. Let's blend. Excellent. All right, so we just finished blending it, and this is how it looks. All right, so you guys can see the reason why I like to do this simple little recipe at home, because it works very effective and very lovely and nice. All right, yeah, so I will encourage you to do the same thing at home. All right, in your spare time at home. Anyway, get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. You can also get yourself a copy of the brand new book. So guys, if any recipe would you like me to make, feel free and let Chef Ricardo know, and we will 100% make it for you. All right, and that's the reason why we do this healthy recipe every day. All right, as you can see, one of the first, I use my bigger glass. You have to have the bigger glass, you know. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so yeah, we like to do healthy recipes and nice recipes. So what we're going to do is come right here and simple pour it out like this in my big glass. See? That's what I like to have. Excellent. Look at that. All right. Remember to get yourself a copy of the book, guys. All right. From Poverty to Purpose. A good advice, people. So, yeah. What would you like me to make for you? Let me know. All right. 100% effective.